Check this out. Miami Beach in 2026 doesn't need to be expensive, but most people experience it in the most expensive way possible. So in this video, I'm breaking down how to enjoy Miami Beach on a real budget, including the free things to do, affordable hotels under $200, cheap food spots, and smart military and AAA savings that actually work. So this guide is perfect if you want iconic Miami Beach vibes without paying those luxury prices for the basic experiences. So if you guys enjoy budget travel, discounted destinations, and real-world money saving tips, make sure you subscribe to the Castaway Travelers. So let's start out with the easiest way to save money in Miami Beach, which is taking advantage of the best things that cost absolutely nothing. So these are going to be some of the free and low-cost things to do in Miami Beach. So South Point Park and Pier is one of my favorite parts in all of Miami Beach, and it's one of the best free attractions around. It offers the walking paths, the ocean views, the cruise ship sightings, and the skyline views of downtown Miami. It's especially scenic at sunrise and sunset and does not require any admission fee. And you'll see a lot of people hanging out over here all day long, whether they're fishing, walking, biking, or just enjoying the weather. The Miami Beach Boardwalk, particularly the mid-beach section between 21st and 46th Street, offers a quieter, less crowded walking path with uninterrupted ocean views. This area is completely ideal for long walks, casual sightseeing, as well as those golden hour photos, without the South Beach crowds. Also check out a free self-guided Art Deco architecture walk along Ocean Drive and Collins Ave. This is going to allow you guys to explore Miami Beach's famous pastel buildings from the 1930s and the 1940s. So this experience is completely free and gives you guys that classic Miami visuals without paying for those guided tours. Next up, let's jump over to a Miami Beach staple, and that's going to be Loomis Park. So this is stretching along Ocean Drive and offers beach access, walking paths, volleyball courts, non-stop people watching, as well as an outdoor gym. And it's actually one of the best spots to experience Miami Beach energy without spending a single dollar. The gym on the beach is free, by the way. The Miami Beach Botanical Garden also offers you guys free year-round admission and provides a peaceful escape from some of the different crowds you'll see in the area. So this is located over right near the Miami Beach Convention Center, and it features native Florida plants, Japanese gardens, shaded walkways, and excellent photo opportunities at absolutely no cost. So once you guys have free activities covered, the next major expense to control is your hotel, because Miami Beach lodging prices can swing wildly depending on the location as well as the timing. So do this smartly. So let's talk about the affordable Miami Beach hotels next. So the Courtyard Miami Beach South Beach, that's a mouthful, is part of the Marriott brand and offers some modern rooms, a rooftop pool, a fitness center, and a central location right near Lincoln Road. The nightly rates over here go for approximately $170 to $260, with Marriott Bonvoy, AAA, and military rates sometimes offering those additional savings. Next affordable hotel is going to be the Hilton Garden Inn Miami South Beach. This is going to give you guys those comfortable rooms, an on-site restaurant, a fitness center, walkable beach access, and the rates over here typically range from about $160 to $250 per night. And Hilton Honors members, AAA members, as well as military travelers should always compare those discounted rates to find the best deal. Third on this list is going to be the Julia Hotel in South Beach. It's a more popular boutique-style hotel that's known for its stylish design, which is completely perfect for the Miami area. It has those complimentary bike rentals, and I already covered this in one of my other videos, so make sure you guys check that out. And it's also got that quieter atmosphere. So the nightly prices for the Julia usually range from about $150 to $230, especially during those midweek stays. Fourth on this list is going to be Hotel Shelley, and this is another solid budget option in Miami Beach, and it's often priced a little bit cheaper at about $130 to $190 per night. It offers those basic rooms, a central South Beach location, and frequent AAA and seasonal promotions that make it one of the better sub-$200 a night options. And military travelers, I want you guys to always make sure you're checking those official military rates, but also compare them against the standard member and the promotional pricing, because the best deal isn't always labeled as military. Sometimes that military discount is more of a motivational speech than an actual price cut. Something to keep in mind. So now that your hotel is locked in, let's talk about food, because Miami Beach dining can quietly destroy a budget if you guys aren't careful. So these are the best budget-friendly Miami Beach food options. So let's start with Las Olas Cafe. This is a staple for the area, and it's a longtime Miami Beach favorite. It has the Cuban food, the bold flavors, the large portions, as well as the excellent value, which makes this a complete lock as a perfect budget-friendly food option. And most of the sandwiches and plates over here range for about $10 to $15. And many of the meals are large enough to split or save for later, so you guys can get a little bit more for your money. The second food option is going to be Rice Mediterranean Kitchen, which is going to offer you guys those Mediterranean bowls with the generous protein portions, as well as the fresh ingredients. So you guys can run over to Loomis Park and work out, and then head over to Rice Mediterranean Kitchen after. Most of the bowls range from about $11 to $15 and are filling enough to stretch into 2 meals. And if you guys spend enough time people watching in Miami Beach, you'll notice that influencers will spend all their time staging those photo shoots for their food while you guys have already eaten, saved money, and moved on with your life. So before we jump into the activities, here's a quick reminder that'll save you some money on your next Miami trip. So if you guys want those hidden rooftops, the photo spots, the speakeasies, the local beaches that tourists usually miss, check out our entire Miami playlist. This playlist completely encompasses all the good things about Miami Beach. And make sure you guys also like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that hype button below. So now let's talk about the affordable experience that still make it feel like classic Miami Beach. So next up, let's talk about some of those affordable activities and experiences. So the Miami Beach trolley is completely free and runs through South Beach, Mid Beach, and North Beach, making it one of the easiest ways to get around without paying for ride shares or for parking. It's air conditioned, reliable, and ideal for budget travelers. Just make sure you're taking the right trolley. We've gone the wrong direction a few times and you definitely learn a lesson from it. So next, let's talk about paddleboard rentals. You can find this right along the beach, mostly on the bay side, and typically this runs from about $25 to $35 an hour, offering an affordable way to get out on the water without committing to a full tour. Parasailing is also another awesome experience that you guys can do over here, running for about $75 to $90, depending on the operator as well as the season, making it one of the more affordable activities in South Beach. So now let's talk about the beach. So some of the beach chairs and umbrella rentals, those can be had completely for free, complimentary through your hotel. So make sure you look this up and talk to the front desk when you arrive and check in. So beach chair and umbrella rentals, when booked through the local vendors and the hotels, typically range for about $20 to $30 for a half day, which could be cheaper than buying gear or overpaying for those premium beach clubs. But also, some of the hotels in Miami Beach offer this completely for free and complimentary, so make sure you look into this. So after a full day of exploring, the smartest move in Miami Beach is knowing when to take advantage of a happy hour. Miami Beach is where your budget stretches the furthest, especially around Espanola Way, Lincoln Road, as well as those select hotel bars offering those early evening drink and food specials. You're gonna wanna look this up. So these happy hours allow you to enjoy Miami Beach nightlife without paying those full-time night prices. Your wallet will thank you later. So if you guys wanna know exactly which rooftops, bars, and local hidden spots to actually use, make sure you check out our other Miami videos. We've got a full guide that's got some great spots, including my favorite speakeasy. So like this video, subscribe to the Castaway Travelers, and comment Miami if you want some more affordable beach destinations and smart travel hacks. Miami Beach does not have to be expensive, it just has to be done smart. And now you guys know exactly how to do it. Thanks for watching, keep traveling.